Hey, it's Austin over at Courtenay Mazda, just doing a little showcase on the 2012 Jeep Compass here. Beautiful exterior. It's a nice kind of like silvery gray kind of paint. Got lots of space in the trunk here. Even comes with your all-weather mats as well. And underneath there you got lots of storage, was that a full size? That is a full-size spare. So you get a full-size spare and all your tools and everything to replace it. Yeah, that's a full size. Yeah, you don't see that too often. Oh, those are good good props as well for the back lift gate. Nice all the way around. Headlights aren't too foggy given the age. And this side could use another little redone, but heck, being what we're at 14 years now, it's pretty good. So unlock this side here, hop in the back. It's got a lot of space in the back here. You've even got some cup holders for your rear occupants. But decent amount of space, my knees don't even touch. Super clean in here. Then we'll go to the cockpit where all the action happens. Got some nice comfortable seats. You sit up pretty high up, overlooking all the hood and everything over there. Everything is adjustable for the seating and stuff. I have it quite far down because I'm fairly tall. But you've got all your heating controls and everything there. You've got your radio controls. It's on a strange station. You've got your e-brake. You've got all your four-wheel drive lock down there. That'll do your four-wheel drive, and then you just flip it back up and it's turned off. Super nice car. You got your tilting telescoping steering wheel. Some lights on the inside here. You got all your door switches, speakers on the end there. Now if we check underneath the hood, also got some nice tires there. Looks like they got a decent amount of life left in them. And then, what is this? Oh, there it is. Okay, I just gotta put you in my pocket for this thing. Now you go to my pocket. Look at that, beautiful engine, nicely cleaned up. They do dress up some of the plastics, make it look a little newer, but it's also got a bit of this rust coating on the side. So it's perfect for the west coast here on Vancouver Island. Any salty beaches that you're parked at won't bother it at all. But yeah, it was the 2012 Jeep Compass. If you got any questions, give me a call back at 250-338-5777. Alrighty, bye now.